Hey, it's Kate with WTI. If you have a 2023 Kia Sportage and you want a little bit more organization and space in your center console, then I highly recommend checking out this super simple insert tray. This is by the brand RUNROAD, and it really has added so much organization to our car and also added space. It has helped us to just organize our center console and utilize the space in a much smarter way. As you can see, it fits in very simply and perfectly because it's designed for this car. It even comes with a little slip guard insert here so that you're able to keep it nice and clean. You can easily just remove this so that you can clean it out, clean away any crumbs that, if you're anything like me, absolutely easily get into your car. So you're able to keep it looking nice. It has different compartments where you can keep things stored, and it just totally maximizes this space. This is a spacious center console, but it's just one block of space. Whereas with this tray, now you're able to keep things separate and you're able to utilize the space better. There's even a little hole in case you need to run wires through it. So they've really thought of everything. So if you are looking to maximize your space in your center console in your 2023 Kia Sportage and you want to get a little more organized, I highly recommend checking this out. I think you'll love it too, but that's just my point of view.